This is well, you can see his. Now you can see mine. We're going to see that the Coca-Cola truck and yeah, that's what. So
See up in the front of the lane.
yeah, this is the lane. This is the queue. We'll see up there. Look at war now. Look at much people still. Halfway nearly. False alarm. We only came from there. Three more barricades over there. Nearly here, look.
Nearly there.
Nearly.
Or else just go on.
And then we're going to be going, I don't know if you can see it, we're going over to the Oculus Rift to see, to sit in the sleigh, technically, and look about, because you're going to be flying off the sleigh, so okay? See you there. Yeah, see you there. Bye. No. Yo, the Christmas truck's right there, the Coca-Cola and the Pepsi glass. I don't give a damn. Coca-Cola and the Pepsi glass, I just sit there, but if anyone gets it, they get cookies. We're here in the one more lane to go. Christmas truck.
We'll get one each.
Christmas truck 2016-17. The truck is sensational. Christmas, oh, let it be a Christmas time. It's Christmas. 7 days to Christmas, and we already got the Christmas truck. Great. Yo, you guys listen to this. Did you hear our girl singing? Did you hear her singing there? And when you were up the recorder singing? Just keep listening, you can hear a girl singing in the background. If you can guess that song with that woman was singing, yeah, just guess, try and guess it. She's at it again. Listen. We're here. Finally. We just got our picture, guys. We just got our picture. Okay, come on. Let's go. I see Coca 12 o'clock.
Here's what I'm going to say.
Oh, what time is it?
I'm not really sure.
Guys, we will see you in the next Say It video. See you later, guys.